So good morning, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So in the last session, so we have been discussing the problem on mode. This is the third problem. So we need to do. Okay, let us solve that problem now. First, let us complete the solution. You check your solutions. I'll start. Okay. Right. This is the problem. See, the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of. This is Gummadi village. Okay. Gummadi village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find mean monthly expenditure. So that means mode you need to find out, mean you need to find out. Okay, let us find out now. First, let us prepare the table. Okay. Let us prepare the table. This is very important now. Just you are asked only to find out mode means 2 columns are enough. First, moreover, mean is also there. So 5 columns you need to make. This is class interval. This is frequency. Class mark. Next UI and FI UI. Okay. Next 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000. Yes, 4000 to 4500. Okay. This is the right. Right. So let us fill. So solution. So now this is expenditure. Expenditure. Nothing but class interval only. So this is number of families. Number of families. This is FI. FI. This will be class mark. Class mark. That is XI. This is actually UI is XI minus A by H. This is FI multiplied by UI. FI multiplied by UI. Okay, let us write it now. This is 1000 to 1500. Next 1500 to 2000. 2000 to 2500. 2500 to 3000. 3000 to 3500. 3500 to 4000. Next 4000 to 4500, and we have even 4500 to 5000. Okay, we need to complete one more row. Yes, this is the right. So now this frequency is 24. This is 40. This is 33, 28, 30, 22, 22. Okay, right. 22, 16, 7. First, let us find out the mode. How to find out the mode? First, we need to check the number of families. Among number of families, what is the maximum number of families that are present in the given class interval? That we need to find out. So here, maximum frequency is 40. So this 40 is known as, say, this is F1. Obviously, this will be F0. This is actually preceding to the this model class. This is the frequency F2 succeeding. 24 is F0, 40 F1, 33 F2. So this will be the model class. Next, the difference of this class is continuous class. Difference will be 500, 500, 500. So H will be the 500 obviously. So now let us find out. So first let us find out. Okay. To find mode. So since 40 is the maximum frequency in 1500 to 2000. So 1500 to 2000 is the model class. That means mode of this frequency distribution lies in this interval. Here we can write now, this is the lower boundary, L equals to 1500, whereas this is now F0 write down. Next F1 is the 40 frequency of the model class, and F2 write down, and H will be 500 difference, because 2000 minus 1500 is 500. Let us write F0 and F2. Go back to the previous page. F0 is 24, F2 is 33. Okay, 24 F0, this is 33. So now formula, to find out mode of a group data. So mode equals to good morning Royal Stars, good morning Shivani, L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, okay, multiplied by the size of the class H. So let us substitute respective values. L stands for 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 upon 2 times F1, 2 times 40 minus F0 is 24 minus F2 is 33 and multiplied by 500. So this equals to 1500 plus, let us simplify this, 40 minus 24, anybody, 40 minus 24 is how much? Is 16, okay, upon, this will be 80 minus, add these two, 57 and multiplied by 500, okay. Now 16 into 500, that is 8000. 80 minus 57, 80 minus 57 will be I think 23. 57 plus 23, you will get 80. So that means now we are going to get like this. So 1500 plus 16 into 500, 500 upon 23. This will be 1500 plus 8000 upon 23. Now we need to divide 8000 by 23. So let us divide it. 8000 is divided by the 23. So now 23, let us try 23 3 ja 9, yes 69. Subtracting, you get 1, okay, 1 0, just note down this 0. 23 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, how much you will be getting? 4 3 ja 12, 92. Subtracting, you will be getting 18. Next, note down this value, 180. So 7 ja, you try, 23 times 7 ja is 21, 161. Subtracting, you will get this is 9 0, put point, 23 8 ja, because 8 3 ja 24, 8 3 ja 24, 184. This will be 6, put 0, 23 2 ja is 46. So 4 you will be getting. Next 1. So let us try with 6. 23 times 6, 18, 158, 138. Yes, 138. Stop. We'll be getting remainder 2. So this value is 347.826. This is the value of 8000 divided by 23. So this we can write 1500 plus 347.826. So now what shall we do now here? For 1500, 0.00 write down. It makes no difference. 347.826. Let us add. You get 826.748 and 1. That means 1847.826 is the mode, we can adjust actually one decimal point, round up to one decimal point, approximately equal to 1847.83. So therefore, modal monthly expenditure, modal monthly expenditure equal to rupees 1847.83. This is the mode of the class. So now go back. Monthly mean expenditure we need to find out. Mean expenditure. Let us find out the mean now. So to find out the mean, what shall we do now here? We need to select class mark. First of all, we need to write. How to write class mark? Here 1000 plus 1500 upon 2. This will be 2500 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1250. So 1250 is the class mark. So how to get it? Janardhan, welcome. So next, here difference of these two. Difference of these two is 500. That will be the H. Go on adding 500. You will be getting the class marks of the other class intervals too. So 1250 plus 500, that is 1750. 1750 plus 500, 2250. This is 2750. This is 3250. Am I correct now? This is 3750. Next 4250. Next 4750. So now you need to select the mean. What will be the mean now? Let us select now mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means you can select less value. Actually here we can select 3250 or 2750. Let us select this one. Say A, this will be the A. Assumed mean A. So corresponding to A, so let us write this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So now what shall we do now here? Fi ui. Fi ui you need to do. Okay, Fi ui. 24 into 3 minus 72. 40 into minus 2 minus 80. 33 into minus 1 minus 33. 28 into 0 0. 30 into 1 30. 22 into 2 44. 16 into 3 48. 28. 7 4 ja 28. First add these positive values, next add negative values. So 30 plus 44 is 74. 48 plus 28 is 1676. Add these two. 74 plus 76, 10, 150. This will be 150. So next add these two. 5, 3 plus 2 5, 11, 185. That will be negative. Negative 185, 150. 5, 35, but negative 35. Negative 35. So this is actually the sigma Fi value is negative 35. Total number of families is already, see, total number of families is 200. This is sigma Fi. Okay. So now to find mean, here A equals to 2750. Okay, 2750. Sigma Fi ui is minus, next sigma Fi is 200, H will be 500. Enough these values, but we need sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi, that will be minus 35. Okay, minus 35. Now formula. So let us write the formula. C x bar equals to A plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi multiplied by size of the class H. So A is 2750 plus sigma Fi ui is minus 35 upon sigma Fi is 200 multiplied by 500. So we can cut these two zeros. So this is 2750. Obviously we get plus into minus minus 35 into 5. 35 into 5 is 5 5 ja 25. 5 3 ja 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 175. So this will be negative 175 by 2. Now 175 you need to make it off. 2750 minus 2 8 ja 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. 15 we have 2 7 ja 15 and 0.5. So 27 from 50 you need to subtract this 87.5. You will be getting this value. If you simplify it, 2662.50. So therefore mean expenditure equals to rupees 2662.50. This is the answer. Okay, all of you check your solutions. Okay, now the question number is 4. Question number 4. Good morning, Madhu. Question number 4. The following distribution gives state-wise teacher student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. mean of this data. Interpret, we need to interpret the two measures, of central tendency. That means two measures. Okay. So frequency distribution is given now. Okay. This is number of students and versus number of states. 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, and next. Okay, one more. Right, let us fill it now. This is number of students. Number of students. Next, number of states. Class interval is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. These are the given class intervals. So now the respective frequency, let us write. 3 states here: 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, and 2. Right. So what we need to find out here? Mode we need to find out, and mean we need to find out of the data, and we need to interpret the two measures, mode and mean. We need to interpret it. Okay, let us solve it now. So first check it. It's a continuous 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and so on. So here class size is 555. What is the highest frequency? 10. Obviously this will be the F1. This is F0. This will be F2. So let us find out first now. Okay, now let us prepare the table first now. Solution. First let us prepare the table. So besides mode, we need to find out mean also. So 5 columns we need to arrange. 5 columns. Okay. So first column, second column, class mark, right, UI and FI UI. This is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, right. Just extend it. Right, let us fill it first of all. Right. Now number of students. This is class interval. Number of states. Number of states. This is frequency, Fi. Class mark or mid value also we can say, no problem. Class mark, say xi. This is ui. Ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. This is fi ui. Fi ui. Okay, let us write it now. 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Next 50 to 55. This will be total. Right. So number of states we have here 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Okay, now in order to find out the mode of this given data, what shall we do now? First we need to check the highest frequency, the maximum frequency among the given frequencies we need to find out. So that will be obviously this 10 will be the maximum frequency. So let us say this is F1. So frequency of the this will be the modal class. This will be the modal class. So this will be the F0. Am I correct now? Obviously this is F2. So modal class is 30 to 35. Okay. So now to find mode, since 10 is the maximum frequency, in 30 to 35. Therefore, modal class is 30 to 35. So this will be the L. So now here L is equal to 30. Next F0. F0 is preceding to the frequency of the preceding class, actually frequency of the class preceding to the model class, that is F0. What is the F0 here? F0 will be 9. And F1, what is F1? It is the frequency of the class succeeding to the model class, that will be 3. F1 is 10, F2 is 3. F1 is the actually frequency of the model class, and size, class size, H will be obviously 35 to 30 is 5. H is equal to 5. Now formula, this is important. Formula, mode is given by L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by size of the class, model class, or any class interval, that is, if it is same. So this equals to L is 30 plus F1 is 10, F0 is 9 upon 2F1, 2 times 10, am I correct? Minus F0 is 9, F2 is 3, times, you need to multiply with 5. You need to simplify. 30 plus 1 upon 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 1, 20 minus 12 multiplied with 5. So this equals to 30 plus 1 times 5 is 5 upon 20 minus 2 is 8, 5 by 8. Okay, now 5 divided by 8, it won't go. 0.86 ja 48. So you get to put 0, 8 2 ja 16, subtract 4, 40, 8 5 ja 40. Okay, now this we can write like this. 30 plus, we need to write the value. So this equals to 30 plus 0.625. So what do you get now here? 30.625. If you just round up to the one decimal point, this will be equals to 30.63. Therefore, mode of this frequency distribution is 30.63. So you remember this one. Yes, absolutely correct. Next, what we need to do it now? Right. Now let us find out. So mean we need to evaluate it. In order to evaluate the mean, first class mark we need to find out. 15 plus 20 upon 2. This will be 35 upon 2. Obviously 17.5. 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 5. 17.5. 17.5. So add 5, 22.5. Add 5, 27.5. 32.5. Go on adding 5. 37.5. 42.5. 47.5. 52.5. So you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can select either 32.5 or 37.5, as you wish. You can select it. So let us select this 32.5 as A. This is A. So corresponding to this value, we need to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a technique. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So now what shall we do now? Fi into Ui you need to do. Fi multiplied with Ui. 3 times minus 3, negative 9. 8 times negative 2, negative 16. 9 times negative 1, negative 9. 10 times 0, 0. 3 times 1, 3. 0 times 2, 0. 0 times 3, 0. 4 times 2, 8. First add these positive terms. Next add negative terms. This will be 11, obviously. 34. So minus 34. Minus 34, 11. 3. 23, negative 23. This is sigma Fi Ui is negative 23. So total frequency we need to find out. What is the total frequency here? So we need to find out the total frequency. Okay. Total frequency will be, if you add, obviously you get sigma Fi equals to 35 you will be getting. Just add it, you can check. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 2 23, 25, 2 plus 1 3, 35, 35. Okay, now we have A value, assumed mean value 32.5, and sigma fi ua value, sigma fi value, and h value. What will be the h? H will be difference of these two, that will be 5. So we can find out the mean of this distribution. So let us find out mean of this distribution now. Okay, now to find mean, here A equals to 32.5 sigma fi ui minus 23 sigma fi is 35, h equals to 5. You can check it. So with your rough work. Right? So formula. Let us write formula. So mean, that is x bar, equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi multiplied with the size of the class h. So this equals to 32.5 plus minus 23 upon 35 multiplied by 5. So 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. This will be 32.5 plus into minus minus 23 upon 7. So now we need to divide this 23. Yes, 23 upon 7. So 23 upon 7, you will be getting like this. Okay, let us try like this. 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21. 2, it won't go. Put 0 and point. 7 2 ja 14. And 6 will be getting 7 8 ja 56. Okay, stop, no problem. It will be continued. 3.28 approximately. 32.5 minus 3.28. How much you will be getting? So 32.5 minus 3.28. You put 0 here, subtracting. So 10. This will be 4. 2, 2. It won't go. 11, 12. This will be 2. 9. 29.22. So this will be 29.22. This is the mean. So now you need to comment on it. So hence we can say that, okay, mode states have a student's teacher ratio, so equals to, that is 30.625. So on an average means mean, on an average this ratio is 29.22. So this is the interpretation. This is the interpretation. Okay, Sivani, good try. Good try. Okay, let us go for the next fifth question. Fifth question. Fifth question. The given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches. Okay. So this is the frequency distribution table. Okay. 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, and next. Right. Okay, this is runs now. Runs scored by the batsmen, international batsmen. Number of batsmen. This is 3000 to 4000. This is 4000 to 5000. 5000 to 6000. 6000 to 7000. 7000 to 8000. This is the interval. 8000 to 9000. 9000 to 10,000. 10,000 to 11,000. So just leave it this one. So 4 members. This is 18 members. 9, 7, 6, 3, 1 and 1. So now find the mode of the data. Find the mode of the data. So just you are asked to find out mode of the data. So that means actually here maximum frequency is enough for this one. Maximum frequency. So what is the maximum frequency here? So this is the maximum frequency. Sorry. This is the maximum frequency. This is F1. This is F0. This is F2. Just this is the model class. L value 4000. 5000 minus 4000 will be, it's a continuous classes. Size of the class is 1000. Simply we can find out. Okay, let us find out now. Solution. So let us prepare the table. Okay. Now 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000. Okay, right. Enough now. Runs. Next, number of batsmen. This is class interval. This is the frequency F5. So now what is given? 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000. Very good morning. 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. Frequency what is given? 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1 and 1. See here maximum frequency is 18. This is F1. This will be the obviously F0. What does it stand for? It is the frequency of the class preceding the model class. This is the model class. This is the model class. So what does it stand for? This is F2. What is meant by F2? The frequency of the class succeeding to the model class. Succeeding to the model class. Okay. Now here 18 is the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. Therefore 4000 to 5000 is the model class. Is the model class. So therefore here L equals to 4000. Next F0 is 4. F1 is 18. F2 is 9. h equals to 1000. Okay. Next, to find mode. So what is the formula to find out mode of a group data? So let us write mode. So mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So L equals to 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 upon 2 times F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4, F2 is 9 and multiplied by the 1000 because H is 1000. So let us simplify now here. This will be 4000 plus 14, 36 minus 13 multiplied by 1000. So this is equal to 4000 plus this will be 14,000 because 14 multiplied by 1000. This will be 23. So if you divide, approximately you will be getting 4000 plus 608.695. So this is just, you need to keep in mind, leave it now, this is the previous page itself only. So this is equal to, you will get 4608.695, or you can adjust to the 2 decimal points. You can write therefore this approximately equal to 4608.7 runs. Approximate. This is the mode of the given data. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we shall continue for the remaining. Actually we have 2 questions. 2 questions will be completed and we will switch over to the new concept, that is the median concept. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day.